Hi everybody, this is NeutrinoParticles Editor video tutorial, and in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to change properties of particle effect from your application. In this case it will be NeutrinoParticles Pixie, JavaScript adapter for Pixie, but you can use the same approach for any other adapter. All of them has ability to change properties in effects. So I'm going to take this default effect, this water stream from the Pixie NeutrinoParticles Pixie repository, and change its alpha, transparency, and intensity or rate of generating rate of particles. So let's open it in the editor. As you can see, transparency is for each particle is over particle life, and here is a graph for this alpha from 0 to 0.5 and back to 0 in the end of the life. To add ability to change this value, this transparency from the application, I'll make it multi-value, multi-distribution, and add another value. This multi-value will give possibility to mix values by the expression. We have two values. Value A is over particle life, this graph, and value B is constant 1. If I multiply A by B, nothing is changed because B is 1. If I change B to 0.5, all stream is faded. Now let me change B to emitter property and call the property something like alpha. This is custom name and you will use it in the application. By default it is 1, and now let's export effect, and in the application after effect is created, I'm going to set this property. Set property in all emitters. Property name alpha and the value 0.1, for example. Update effect, update application, and you can see the effect is almost completely faded. Now let's change, let's make the same thing with periodic rate. We have 60 particles per second. Let's make it emitter property, call it rate. By default it will be the same 60. Export effect, and in the application rate will be 10. Alpha 1, and you can see the rate, periodic rate is changed. You can make it with any value in the editor. So you need emitter property in the emitter guide and change it from the application. So that's it. Thank you. Bye bye.